Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to dive into True Sky Credit Union Bank app review in order to check if the app is worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. The True Sky Union app lets you check balance, view your transaction, and you also have access to transfer money, pay bills, and also deposit check, even manage your card in the app. It also offers a budgeting tools, spending insight, and the ability to export data for personal finance software like QuickBooks or Kraken. The Zelle integration also works well and makes it spending and receiving money very fast and convenient. Some users also report a lot of problems, starting with the occasional login issues, the slow loading times, or glitches with scheduled transaction. Customer support has mixed reviewed about how they respond to issues that arise within the app, and with some mentioning long await or difficult resolving issues from the customer service. So in my opinion, I actually think the app is worth using if you are a True Sky member and you only download the app for everyday banking. But it's best to double check the important transactions and be prepared for minor hiccup from the app, and that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.